There's no place like home for Dorothy, and there's nothing like stepping into an original Wicked outfit for Kristin Chenoweth. The 54-year-old singer and actress, who rose to fame after debuting as Glinda in the hit Broadway show Wicked in 2003, got her hands on one of her original dresses from the show and tried it on in a fun TikTok video she shared on July 27. In the video, Kristin walked up to the dress, which was encased in glass, and paid homage to the show by attempting to get the dress on by casting a spell on it. "Ball gown," she exclaimed several times, as she did during the show when she attempted, and failed, at switching enemy-turned-bestie Alpha Boz, originally played by Idina Menzel, boring black frock into a gorgeous gown. While Glinda could not quite make the magic happen during the show, Kristin slipped into the ball gown after a few more attempts. "It finally worked. I do have magic," she said with a big grin on her face as she donned the baby blue dress and her whimsical crown. Kristin was automatically showered with compliments by fans and folks who watched her in the original show. "There's nothing you do that isn't golden," one supporter commented. "This just made my entire week," another added. A third user claimed the nostalgia clip made them emotional, while several others gushed about how fantastic they thought Kristin was as Glinda all those years ago. The sweet look down memory lane is not the first time Kristin has returned to her roots as of late. On September 14, 2021, she surprised fans at the Broadway reopening of Wicked after the coronavirus pandemic shut it down for 18 months. "There's no place like home," she said in front of the enthusiastic crowd, who gave her a standing ovation after she wished them all a wonderful theater experience. Kristin paid tribute to the show through her attire for the night as well, as she rocked a pair of ruby red slippers paired with a sparkling silver mini dress. Just a month later, Kristin would be celebrating more than Broadway's return. She became engaged to musician boyfriend Josh Bryant, 39, after 3 years together. "Guess you're stuck with me now," at Josh Guitar. "I love you and I'm never letting you go. A million times yes," she captioned her engagement announcement. Unfortunately, on July 19, people reported that the couple have stepped away from wedding planning and postponed their nuptials. Neither Kristin nor Josh have commented on the report. Previously, the Annie actress told Vogue that she plans to race to greet him at the altar because she is so eager to become his wife. Hopefully, their pause on wedding planning is just a strategic matter and the two can make their merry way down the aisle soon.